डियर स्टूडेंट्स, व्हाई डू वी नीड द इलेक्शन? इलेक्शन की हमें क्या ज़रूरत होती है? इलेक्शन टेक प्लेस इन डेमोक्रेसी एट फिक्स इंटरवल टाइम्स. इट टेक प्लेस एट रेगुलर इंटरवल टाइम. ये एक निश्चित समय पर होते हैं. दे आर मोर देन 100 कंट्री इन द वर्ल्ड वेयर इलेक्शंस आर टेकिंग प्लेस एंड पीपल आर चूजिंग देयर representatives to govern by their representatives. We also read that elections are held in many countries that are not democratic. हमने बहुत से देशों में भी देखा है कि इलेक्शन जो है डेमोक्रेटिक नहीं होते. बट वाई डू वी नीड द इलेक्शन? इलेक्शन की हमें क्यों जरूरत पड़ती है? Because by the means of elections we choose our representative, and our representatives are aware of the problems related to our area, and they assist peoples on the basis of education, knowledge, and experience. Elected representatives are try to solve the problems related to the peoples because they are well aware of their area. A rule of peoples is possible without any election. लोगों का शासन जो है वो बिना इलेक्शन के संभव नहीं है. इफ़ ऑल द पीपल कैन सिट टुगेदर एवरी डे, अगर जो है लोग एक जगह बैठेंगे और एंड टेक ऑल द डिसीजंस और वो डिसीजन लें, बट इट इज़ वेरी डिफ़िकल्ट एज यू नो that all the peoples do not have the much knowledge about the problems, and they do not have much money as well as time. uh, that's why elections are required, and the people choose their representatives on behalf of the peoples. Our representative take and raise our issues related to their constituencies. They help the people's they help elections. Through the elections it is known to it is known to us whether the peoples are uh, peoples like their representative or not. If our candidate elect the elect in elections, it means the peoples are in favor of a particular candidate, and people like him. It is known to us this thing by elections. Therefore, in most democracy, people rule through their representatives. Is there a democratic way of selecting representative without elections? कोई डेमोक्रेटिक रास्ता रिप्रेजेंटेटिव को सेलेक्ट करने का इलेक्शन के माध्यम से नहीं है. Let us think of a place where representatives are selected on the basis of age and experience, or a place where they are chosen on the basis of education or knowledge. On the basis of knowledge, there could be some difficulty in deciding on who is more experienced or knowledgeable. But let us say that the people can resolve this difficulty. Clearly, such a place does not require elections. But can we call this place a democracy? How do we uh, find out if the peoples like their representative or not? By the means of elections, people come to know who is the people's real representatives. If people cast their vote in favor of particular candidate, the particular candidate win the election. It means people like him. How to make to do remains their mechanism by which people can choose their representative at the regular intervals and change them if they wish to do so. This mechanism is called the elections. Elections by elections, if representatives do not work for the sake of peoples, in next election peoples do not give their votes to in favor of him. Therefore, elections are considered essentials for the sake of making law, for the forming of the government, as well as the people choose the party whose policies and programs will guide the government and lawmaking. वाट मेक एन इलेक्शन डेमोक्रेटिक वो कौन सी चीज़ें हैं जो हमारे इलेक्शन को डेमोक्रेटिक बनाती हैं? फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, इलेक्शंस इज requires elections are essential one in a democracy. Uh, in a democracy, it means peoples must have a right to choose representatives. It means everyone has one vote. The value of each and each one is equal one. Universal adult franchise is given to all peoples on the equal basis. Every vote has the equal value. Political party and candidate are free to contest the elections. Everyone is free to contest the elections, not the political parties as well as the candidates uh, from political party. Every person is independent to contest the elections. um, हर कोई व्यक्ति जो है इलेक्शन लड़ने के लिए स्वतंत्र है, इंडिपेंडेंट है. वन कैन फिल द पेपर्स एंड contest the elections. The choice should be offered at a regular interval of times by conducting elections after a fixed interval of time. The candidate who preferred by the peoples will get elected because people will cast their votes in favor of them. This make our election democratic. Election are conducted in a free and fair manner. There is a institutions, election commissioners, election commissions that look after all the system, whether the elections are going to be held free and fair, whether peoples are free to choose their representatives or not. It is done through the elections. These are the things that make our election democratic. Universal adult franchise. Everyone is free to get elected. Uh, Choice is given to all peoples at a fixed interval of times. Candidate who preferred by the peoples will become the representative of the peoples. and there is a election commissioner that make elections free and fair.